Right now I'm gonna just do my god damn this shit broke out. My top down analysis on a daily red. So I'm not gonna be looking for shorts, but we really got a support area right here where price is chilling. 119.09. Yeah, we about at support. 04 hit 04. We got this line right here. It's our 4-hour support. Our next 4-hour candle don't close till 10 a.m. So yeah, we overall we on it down for the day, but these last like this 4 hours of uptrend. I don't really want to go short, especially if I probably missed a move. It's looking like a pullback. I can get it along. Yeah, this shit dropping like a falling knife. If I was to get in, it would be right at 119.05. We gotta wait till this candle close at 9 o'clock. Okay, I'm just copy and pasting my support levels. I already got most of them over here. Boom, Control C. Do I got this one? Yep, I got that one. But these are just the different time frames down bottom. You see weekly, daily, 4 hour, 60 minute, 5 minutes. I be taking my trades on the 5 minutes, but I look at all these different times just on some to help me figure out what it is I'm seeing and what it is, how I need to react to what I'm seeing. This right here, the futures market. You could trade these little easy bond charts, then you could trade anything. For real. It's just like the price action is just so fluid and it respects the support and resistance levels so much that it's the perfect product to try to learn how to trade, how to do technical analysis. So if anybody was to start, this is where I would say start with the bonds. I'm gonna scroll back into where the market opened at. It says 1805. This was my opening candle. I'm going to market. I'm gonna take this dotted line down here because I don't care about that day no more. Not too much. This is where the price opened. Mm, from the looks of it, this was the highest of the night overnight session. Let me just make it a dash so I know it's the highest price part. Oh shit. Price opened at 8. The market opened at 820. So the lowest was right here where I got it right now. The lowest was 119.21. Highest was 122. So it already dropped a lot. It already dropped a lot for the average drop. Let's look at this candle. It's already bigger than these candles. And the day's only halfway over. It's 9 o'clock. We got until 4:30. We already went to our bricks. Went lower. This chart down here is the same as up here. It's just my volume. It's people. The order is like people buying and selling. With this being my bricks, I'm getting in. Buy.
Order filled.
Where I get in at? Let's see. You want to take a quick 3 if I can get it. 10.
Target filled.
Take a quick 3. Ultimately, got price coming up. Maybe to 17 before it rejects back down. But we coming back down today. Yeah, we up 90 so far. Couple minutes in. We really want to wait for since I got into that trade, I want to wait a little bit. Like that 901 candle close over here as far as my bricks. So I'm gonna be going long, but I got another brick here, so I feel like price is going short here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my entry for a sell to the downside.
Order submitted.
At 16, and that's if price comes back up that high. But this level here, 119.12 was the low of our overnights. No, it wasn't. That was an hour resistance. We can go towards 60-minute chart. That line's right there. Price gets above 18. Then we're going to go back to the upside. And that's our break. I really want to wait. I'm not going to put my entry.
Order canceled.
I want to see how price reacts between 17 and 21. This might be the area I get in. I had it at 18. I'm going to put it at 19.
Order submitted.
I only didn't try to ride it up longer because we're on a red day and I don't even want to be going long or buying, assuming price is going up. I only want to go sales. So I did a quick buy for 3 ticks. And I'm going to try to get back in on a sell for at least 4 to 5. Maybe. I don't know how many yet. But if I get in at 19, I'm going to try to take price down to probably 119.10 or 12, 119.12, because it looks like 12 is a little bit of resistance right now, which will be support. For real, I kind of want to get it now on this 12.
Order submitted.
Because 4 is about 8 ticks away. I could take a quick 4 to the downside.
Order filled.
Or 08. I don't know what this line is on here, so I'm deleting it. I'm going to just keep my bricks over here so I ain't confusing myself. no major news. I usually look at the news, but ain't no really major news today. As far as economics, might be some surprise news. We don't know what the president's going to say at this point in time. But there's really no American major news. Like we got the federal chair, Kugler speaks around 10:30. The consumer credit month over month is around 3. None of this stuff is going to impact us because we're going to be out by 10:30. Maybe the futures, but not the stock market. But yeah, no, ain't no major news today. Tomorrow, none either. Wednesday at 2 o'clock. It's looking like a good week to trade. Thursday's the only day around 8:30 when we got some like news that'll affect the market. And then Friday, the core PPI and PPI, that stuff will definitely move the market too. So we ain't got really too much news until Thursday and Friday. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, I don't like it. All right, we already up 3 ticks, so
Order canceled.
we break even. Now it's either we go, hit 8 or we come back to 12. So we ain't losing nothing but $3.50. We risking $350. Not $350. $3.50 on this trade. Yeah, risk $3.50, and we gonna make $1.25 off this. One more tick. Hit the profit. I ain't gonna after this. I'm probably gonna move to the stock chart here. The futures right now. This shit's where you need to learn how to chart. This shit's easy, bro. So I wait for one more tick. Oh, we stuck on the standstill.
Target filled.
I was about to say, bro, stop fucking playing with me. We was stuck on the standstill. Yeah. Looks like we might be trying to run up. But I like this rejection we just had off of 12. Maybe we can come get a lower low. But I already made 218 on a day for this future, so I'm gonna just chalk that up. Take that to the bank. 218, just so you can see. Boom. We ended that day. We're gonna go to the stock market. And same thing, man. Get a couple hundred. Yeah. It'll be a good Monday. Way to start out the week. I'm gonna go in the stream. I'm gonna just end this. My options watch list. But I'm gonna go to my full watch list today. Put this down because everything is bloody. Everything's red. Fire sale this week. Um, let's just pull up the first chart for the first stock. And that's Starbucks. I've been looking at Starbucks for a while. I've been trying to get a good entry for the long term. Um, this is our daily chart again. Indicator. Okay, for our side, we down. We oversold. What? All these little lines is levels that I was trading when price was at this level last time. You see that? All these levels, so price is back down. It's been dropping. Like last week, it was over $100. Now it's at 79 in the pre-market. So I'm about to go back and look at this area over here and see if I could get any like nice trade. Where's 79? 79 is pre-market. 79 is where we're at. We're right here. We're filling in this gap. Yeah, I got it below 81 for puts. But this is where we would fill this gap. We made this gap up. So I'm gonna go to my lower time frame to see the data. See how many lower time frame more candles pop up. This is where we at right now. We done came down to this 4-hour support level. Let's go back. Dang, this is where price took off before. Right here, this is where it shot up 77. Where we at? We at 77.8. Yeah, I like this level right here. So between 76 and 78, I want to go long on Starbucks. Like Starbucks is a nice leap. I don't know when Starbucks is going to recover from this whole market crash we got going, but I do know it will recover. So if I do get any contracts, it'll be a couple months out just to give it some time to work. Cause I'm about to go to the lower frames. Just look at how prices reacting to these levels. Like it's oversold on every level. Like the market crashed. I don't even know why I pulled the RSI up. We just created a gap on our way down to fill this gap. We didn't even really fill it. It got a little bit left room. Gap to fill. Might 81 and been reject. Let me just go through these charts. Let me go to the daily, not the daily, the 30. I want to look at how all these charts look on the 30. See if I got anything worth trading. Starbucks, I'm putting this on my list, my options list. I like how it looks. It's on my main list. It's gonna be on my. It's gonna be a leap or a swing, but it ain't gonna be no day trade. Let's go back to our watch list. I'm not touching Kroger. Riot is down, down, down. This is a very cheap $6 it hit last night. It's at $6. It's half of what it was less than 2 months ago. It's half the price. Everything's on sale. Everything will make you money in the long term right now. Tesla's down 10%, got 27 points. Apple 14 points. It's crazy how all these prices, all level, all these prices came crashing back down to levels I already had, and it was gaps to fill, like gap to fill. Did we hit it? Did we fill it? No. These all gaps to fill. And price is making its way to them. This is a 30-minute. Google, I like Google, especially in the long term. It's probably the only thing that ain't oversold to start trying to recover in the pre-market, stepping its way back up. Everything's a sell today. I'm gonna let it come up, hit their little test of resistance, their little first test. Like right here, this is the first test for them. And then we got another one up here somewhere. Amazon, like as far as trading, I'm looking for sales today. And stocks, I'm looking to buy. I want Nvidia for sure at 89. Google less than 150. I need that. Amazon. Let me look at Amazon and see if it'll come down lower because I need Amazon, but I don't need it to go back up. Not right now. I need it around. I want it around 150. I want it down here 145. If I can get 150, I think I got an alert on 150. Yeah, I got an alert on 150. That's where I want to buy. I see Amazon getting back down there. So I don't know if we trade it or not, but we do. If we don't trade, we just buy. We got some shit for cheap. Go back to my options list. I'm not looking at Tesla today, even though it should be a mover. Like it is every day. Nvidia already broke out my range I had it in. I had it trading in a range where I thought it was gonna be bullish. It was bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. I caught a long hair, caught a short hair, and I got out. But I thought price would bounce here. They come back up. But right now we're and I did buy long because I thought price would go here, but ended up gapping. This was the Friday, ended up gapping down. So the long play I'm in is probably worthless right now because we're down further. probably hit 90. Well, we're under at 90. We're what, 89? So 90 is our first line of support. We're under that. After 90, I got us coming this. We're not coming down this far. I'll say like what 85 look like. All right, Nvidia, got SPY. Oh my gosh, like SPY 2, rising wedge, broke out, boom, 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 boom. I made money on this one. I didn't get this dropped. I wish I did. Oh my gosh. QQQ looking crazy. This is what really I should have really been. You mean? I don't know why I look at the VIX every day as far as to help me determine. It's the fear and greed index to determine if we about to buy or sell. I'm looking at it right now. It's a selling day. The VIX is green. The VIX is higher than I've ever seen it. Well, not ever seen it, but it ain't been this high since August. 65. It's at 60 right now. I think we're going to take that 65 out. The market's just going to drop a little bit more until the Federal Reserve talk about they going, you know, cut interest rates. This trade war got everybody scared. This right here, when it bounced off here, is when I went long. These last 1, 2, 3, these are the last 3 red days in the market. 1, 2, 3. But I want y'all to see how that look next to the spot as far as days. Where is it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's like they're the opposite. They're inversely correlated. So I look at the VIX to tell me if I'm going short or long. SPY is down to 5, less than 500. Our next is 495. And then 467. What time is it? 9:23. The market about to open. I'm not getting in trade till about like 10 o'clock maybe. So I'm about to go roll up, get my mind right, and then come back. I think we're going to crash further today. I don't think we're going to bounce. But if we do bounce today, it'll just be a pullback to give them room to go further down tomorrow. I really got SPY going down further to 485, like I said. Like I said, 485. 485. Because we already touched this low. 485 ain't bad. Fuck around, hit a SPY play. Hit ZODTE. Already made 218 a day. So I don't need to make too much more. As far as for my personal goal, I already make more than I make at my job. So I ain't gonna get too greedy. Make a couple, like make 100, 150. VIX. Yeah, I'm gonna trade SPY today. That's all I'm trading. Other stocks and stuff. I might, like I said, I'm trying to get some buys in. I want to get some buys in for my long term portfolio, like Nvidia. I definitely want Nvidia. Right now we're trading between 490 and 490 and 495 for real. So this little range we're in, we got 5 minutes till market open. Look like we coming back down though. This little gap. I wanted to come fill this gap so I could short up here. I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't getting in yet till like 10. I'm gonna let the market show me what they want to do. We're gonna be patient. We're gonna get this money. So I need it less than that in the next 5. It's gonna give me the alert. sleep on it too much. This week is a lot happening. Uh, I ain't gonna lie. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But y'all see the way SPY moving right now. It look like it's going up, up. And I just got in on a long term play. Leap for the low. The lowest of the leaps. No, I don't think I ain't get filled. I got a pending order. Let me check and see. Yeah, no, I didn't get filled. Yeah, no, I ain't get filled yet. But nah, I'm looking at Starbucks. In the long term, it's at a nice 4 hour support. Respected on the 30 minute. Nice, nice support level right there. Zone, it bounced in. We didn't fill this gap. I think we're gonna probably fill it between today and tomorrow. But I got into a leap. I want to say Starbucks is partly one of my favorites going forward this year because they have nothing to do with the tariffs. They will not be affected by the tariffs unless where they get their beans from. That could be one. That could be something. I don't know where they get their beans from. Uh, we in that Starbucks play anyway. We in Starbucks right here. They're feeling it, just like the S&P. Get 6 months free offer in 3 days. Click the link in the description. But what am I looking for? Spy. Starbucks versus coffee from Latin America, Africa, Asia Pacific religions, obtaining beans from over 30 countries. These motherfuckers getting hit with this tariff. But it's like people who go to Starbucks, they don't complain about the price. They just go to Starbucks because they love Starbucks. Starbucks is a brand that people's gonna just get regardless. But if we hit recession, even if we hit a recession, like people to go to Starbucks or purchase Starbucks got, I feel like they got the money to just still be cool, be comfortable through a recession or through any type of downturn. They still gonna get their coffee no matter what. I mean, they just might not get their little scone or a little extra side to go with it. But long term, I'm looking at Starbucks. I feel like it could come back down to maybe 75. Into this zone somewhere, 75. I might add another contract and take it because it's a leap to 75. Let me see. It's a long position, and I got in here. And let's say to June 18th. Let's say we stay in this long and price get to even to 195. I'd have made so much money on this contract. Price getting to 95 by then. Stop loss be, I said, below here. If we get below here, we get 69. I want to say, I said 78. This is 60. This is 70. Yeah, we get under 70. That's wild. Like, that's a nice drop. Let's see how much that is. That's probably like over 40% from the high. And I don't even think this is the all-time high, but let's just see. Yeah. Under here is, yeah, that's 40%. 40.75%. 48 points. I'm in there. I'm not playing. I'm not playing 40%. I ain't never seen a 40% drop. That's an alert on SPY. Alright. Ooh, SPY going bananas. Filled that gap. Yeah, 10, 11, 10 o'clock it started moving. But that 4 hours looking nice. So we coming back. We're not coming back to 520. 510 real quick. Our next stop might be 510. Shit, we already jumped to 509. And look at this shit on these charts. Them motherfucking candles is running. Five-minute chart candles is running. We bottomed out around 9:45. And it broke right now. 10, 10, 10 after. We ain't been down at these levels so long. I don't even remember what these is for, bro. Oh my gosh. It's been so long. I'm up 8% right now on that leap. 10%. I'm chilling. I ain't really. Probably like June. Starbucks is moving. I'm up 30% right now. I ain't gonna lie. I might hold. I might not hold. This I know it's gonna go up and come back down. So I might just maybe take this little 30 piece. I ain't planning on even getting today. This wasn't even planned to be a day trade. I got the notification that it gained more than 20% after it done went up to like 30 and came back down to 25. Where we at on this chart? I had it below this for puts. It opened up there today. It opened up today. Yeah, too much in put territory. I wouldn't have. I'd have definitely bought that. I seen that, man. This 4 hours. These levels from back then. I don't know what I was doing. I ain't name. I'm about to start writing on these lines and giving them names because I didn't even know I could do that. I want to see if it even tells me the date that I wrote this, made this line. Like, is there any data? Like, no. The thing running. Filled the gap and kept going. At least, but maybe two. Why is my artist hat up here? I'm trying to scroll. 82, 85 maybe. 84 might be a stop. Then 85, 87. Let's go to the 30. Like I said, I'm still up 30%. And broski. In this bit. Got it around like 10:05. I got in before that. Yeah, I got around like 10:05. I got filled while I was here. Cause I had to trade, but I got filled while I was in here. Let me see. Look like it's slowing down, starting to turn around. That's by where we at, bro? Dang, on a day, beam. Ooh. Yep, this might be the great escape. I'm gonna put here. Let me look at the VIX. The VIX been dropping today. $42. I'm at 40. It ain't looking. You mean we in the long term on this trade, so I'm gonna stay on the 4 and up. It's the 4 hour and up trade. So I build up my notes because I create notes. You know what I mean? You gotta have a journal. 4/7/2025 trade S bucks at screenshot because I got the screenshot. Oh, one contract. Average cost 400. Date bought. Just put. We know when we bought it, but video going up today. And I think I sold my I just sold that contract for a loss of it. It wasn't a big loss. It was a loss. About 4/7. Expiration date January 16th. And 26. Alright, y'all. My audio journal. I got my written journal. I got my phone notes. Alright, we in the game. Done for the day. In these trades. Yeah, I'm signing off, man.